Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. End of September is here and it's beginning of October, so doing a different video, or the end of the month video. Let's see if this has any subcategories. It does. Groceries and household. While we're here, I might as well go ahead and get the last of incoming that I'm aware of. So here's my paycheck and my husband's third paycheck. So $48.75.01. Spotify. Let's see what else is down here. Pets, so dog food. This bill. Copay. Fuel. This was out of my money, and I think we did go over on restaurants. I think I divided this one, so let me check how I did that. I'm pretty sure 12 of this was mine. It says there's 11 left. Now how is that? There shouldn't be that much in this. I don't think. Original balance, target balance. This is automatically added from your planned amount. I don't understand how this new stuff, or this new part works, because it should be from original balance, but anyways. This was out of fun. Oh, it goes down. Okay, I see what we did now. This was my money. And let's see, 40 minus 11. I don't remember how we did this. $15. And we're just gonna say it came from fun because and same way with this. I don't know why I didn't round it up because that's what I've been doing. $81. Okay, there was another milk or two. So 7. We're gonna say the 12th and the 18th. Oh, it's only a few days, but still. 12. What day did I go grocery shopping? Yeah, we're just gonna put it on the 18th. It's fine. No, you said it was 20 something. I went Monday by myself, so it was 26th. It's not coming to me where this other $80 went, but I know all of the money for, oh, again, Monday. Duh. So, it would have been, it was, no. $71 for groceries on Monday. And then 9. I guess it would have been something real simple, but I don't know what it was. Okay. See, this wasn't done in. No, no, no. Vehicles were paid. This was paid because it's an auto bill, like an automatic bill. This is automatic. So we spent, well, it says 97 on pets. So we didn't really do any miscellaneous money this month, which is pretty awesome. Gas was actually only $450 put toward it. And I got $34, I think, Thursday. I think I put that as Wednesday, but Thursday. Yeah, $9.29. Okay, my husband didn't have enough benefits to do all of this, so it was $170. And we didn't like subcategorize this yet, I guess. So just 20 basically went for the copay. Okay, that already shows that it was out. This shows 200, which, oh well. This was spent. They did the check, yeah, on the 2nd. No, not of this month, of September. They pulled out the money. So we're doing pretty good. This has been, I mean, of course, 3 paychecks. It's kind of hard to go bad. But, oh, and he didn't get his money either. So, and we didn't, like I said, technically categorize anything for savings. So, I like it. I do. I like having a good amount in the account. So I think we're good, and this wraps up September. And I will do an October budget here in a second after this uploads. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.